In this video, we'll build a system like this one that will automatically back up all your n8n workflows without you having to worry about losing them. Let's get started. Our first node will be a scheduled trigger. And in my case, I'm going to run this system once per week. This means days between triggers will be 7 days, but you definitely can switch the interval to whatever you prefer. For the trigger at hour, I'm going to choose 9 morning. Then for the next node, you will need n8n get many workflows. If you have never used this node before, you will need n8n API in order to get the permission to access all your workflows. To do so, go back to your n8n main dashboard, select settings, then n8n API, create an API key, and let's name it workflow backup. For the expiration, you want to select no expiration and click save. Once you click save, you will have your API key. Go back to your n8n workflow, create new credential, and you want to pass your API key here. For the base URL, you want to select your actual URL, then /API/v1 and click save. In my case, I'm not going to click save because I already have the connection established. So now if I execute this workflow, I will get all my current workflows. And as you can see, I have 12 existing workflows, but I'm not going to leave it as it is. So I'm going to double click on it. And for the filter, return only published workflows. In my case, I prefer to only backup my published workflows, but you can definitely remove this one if you want to backup everything you have on your account. Before we create our next node, we will need a data table. Go back again to your main dashboard, select data table, and let's create a new one. Workflow backup, same name. And on this data table, we need only 2 columns. So the first one, let's name it workflow name, and the second one, workflow ID. And we are good. Now let's go back to our workflow, data table, and you want to choose if row does not exist. Then select your data table, any condition, add one condition, and let's select our workflow ID. And you want to bring the ID of get many workflows here. Then click on the plus again, search for convert to file, and you want to choose convert to JSON because that's the only formatting n8n support when you want to upload a workflow back to n8n. So convert to JSON. And for the put output file in field, let's name it again workflows. If I execute the workflow, you will see we will have now 5 items rather than 12 like you've seen at the start. Why? Because right now I only have 5 workflows published. There is one thing I forgot to mention. As you can see right now, there is only 1 item, but we should have 5 JSON files because I have 5 running workflows. So let's double click on it again. And on the mode, you want to switch this all items to 1 file, to each item to separate file. From here, all we need right now is a place to store our workflows. I am personally going to choose Google Drive, but you can definitely switch to whatever storage provider you prefer. So I'm going to click on the plus, search for Google Drive, upload a file. For the data, we are going to swap it with the name of the output here. In my case, I've named it workflows. So I'll name it again workflows. For the file name, you want to go to get many rows and bring in the name of the workflow. I already have a folder created named n8n workflows. Once you choose your storage, you want to search again for data table, insert row, select your data table, and for the workflow name, you want to get this one here, and the workflow ID is this one. Let's give it a shot right now. Execute the workflow. They will be uploaded here. Okay, the first one has came in, second one as well. Okay, so the workflow has finished running and all my currently published workflows have been uploaded to Google Drive as well as added to the data table. All the workflows that we have uploaded to Google Drive are added here. So next time when the system runs again, it will not upload again those workflows back to Google Drive. At this point, this system is ready to be deployed, but there are a few things that I would like to highlight. For example, in case you have tons of workflows that you would like to upload to Google Drive, what I recommend doing is coming here and search for load over items. And you want to select maybe the batch size to 5 or probably 10. I'm going to select 5. Then search for wait. Let's do, for example, 20 seconds. Bring this one here, and we are good. By doing so, you are avoiding Google Drive API rate limiting issues. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to drop a thumbs up because it really helps me a lot. And if you have any questions about this workflow or any in general, you can leave a comment and I'll try to respond to you as soon as I can.